All right, guys. Today is Friday, September 21st, 2018. Everybody can hear me clearly? All good, right? That's awesome, guys. Well, today was the day, man. It only took how many fucking days? Let's take a look. And Bev, you guys can see my screen right now? And Bev. It only took, dude, we have to even go out even further. Holy cow. 7 days. 3-day rule broke, 4-day rule broke, 5-day rule broke. Now we're gonna have a new strategy, the 7-day strategy. 7-day strategy. Now I'm joking aside, but dude, this stock has just been murdering everybody, every fucking fake. And look at IGC, same fucking shit. And the reason why is because everyone's like, this can't be up this much, 3-day rule, all this stuff. So each time it goes up, everyone's trying to cherry pick it. What cherry picking means is trying to top tick it all the time. Like, you know what, man? I'm like, because they're like, dude, this has to be the top. And then boom, they're dead. So the easiest way to do it is to wait for the backside. And I keep saying backside, but how the fuck we know what the fucking backside is? Yesterday, everyone thought this was the backside. $7 was the backside, got fucking murdered, fucking squeezed. So, you can't really fucking know sometimes. It's so let's take a look at the times that they even reverse. I mean, it's just all over the place. So the only way to play safe the stock is not to trade the fucking stock. Seriously, trade the sympathy plays, which are easier. So I told the room, you know what, man? So this is how these type of streaks occur on these stocks. Okay, first you have TLRY. Let's take a look at that. This stock is freaking crazy. Freaking $300. So first you have a stock like TLRY, which is the head of the monster, right? The problem is this sucker ran for so many fucking days where, oh crap, IGC is coming up there. Hold on a second, guys. What do I want to do? Remember what we said with the $4 line? IGC. Only real, zombie hour means trade very small. Don't give back your gains, man. This shit can fucking go to brand new highs. I've been short buys I've been long buys all day until $4. Look at that shit, $4. See, now the people that are shorting size are fucking dead. They're stopping out right now. New high days are coming out, and I'm just chilling. We called these lines out for a fucking reason. During the trading hour, you have to fucking give it room. I just took a little stab of a short, not much of a size, but dude, this is a zombie hour, dude. I already made the meat of my money in the morning. Now I'm chilling. Look what happened. It fucking stuffed out of $4. All these people that were trying to chase it, all that. Remember I fucking told you 360, man. Just draw this fucking line. Draw this fucking line, guys. Anyway, so let's talk about how IGC even became this big. How is it fucking possible this thing ran like this? Okay, so first we have the originator, TLRY, Tilray. Look at this $4 line, guys. I just fucking shorted it. Now I'm gonna fucking cover some on this dip, okay? You see how the no stress? If you fucking have discipline, which I don't have all the time. If I have fucking discipline, just go from line to line, 360, and then past that high of day, 8380, boom, $4. Cover. Just go from line to line. Just do very small size, and you can never get squeezed up. You have the top of the range set, and so we just caught a live trade again. So, but anyway, so once again, this is how we got to IGC. IGC has no news, right, guys? Has no freaking news. It's a pure sympathy, but it doesn't fucking matter. The sympathies are strong because of the fact that Tilray ran for like 10 straight days or something crazy like that, right? You can count your days yourself. Look at TGC, guys. I mean, IGC. Fucking $4. No fucking stress. I just fucking threw out the trade now. Okay. So Tilray ran for so many days. And so that was kind of a signal. This is all hindsight bullshit, by the way. All hindsight bullshit. You see my daily recaps all day, every day. I trade. I've been very lucky. I've been knock on wood green every day. The day that I probably would have lost was yesterday because everyone thought yesterday was the death day and everyone got killed. And today it tanked because fuck, dude, there's everyone covered. Look at that, dude. IGC. Let me put some more orders out, guys. There's no fucking stress. IGC, $4. I told the roof fucking $4. I keep saying, do not fucking short this stock until $4. Did I not, guys? You guys in the room right now, did I fucking not tell you, do not fucking short this shit till $4? I said this shit for how long now? Since fucking pre-market, dude. I said it for a long fucking time. I remain long buys. Long buys means this. Buying every fucking washout and selling every fucking resistance. Let me fucking pull that shit up for you. MBEV. Nope, that's the wrong stock. IGC. Let me just finish this trade, IGC, because this is a good educational, and then we'll go through the history because it's in play right now, and this is fucking beautiful, guys. There, I just covered more. You see that? Fucking short hair, fucking covered all the way down. Just scale out. How fucking easy was that? Fucking long hair, every single wash. I fucking long. I was long biased. Every single time I washed, I bought and I fucking sold. And look at the lines I drew. I just moved from 360 line to 380 line. I bought all this and started selling that shit out. Got out of 380 because that was a line. Waited for $4 to short. Fucking shorted. Covered on the way down. Simple as fucking that, guys. It's not simple. I'm telling you, it's not simple. The mechanics are simple. Charting. If you learn how to do it, it's relatively simple. What's not simple is the discipline, guys. The discipline to fucking wait until $4. To not have this ego. I keep fucking telling people all the time. The worst is have a fucking giant ego. That's how you fucking get killed on a Tilray to $300 move. Fucking being a smart ass, thinking, like, how could this go up? I've been trading so many fucking years, guys. I've seen every fucking, fuck the black swan bullshit. Black swans come once a week, man. Black swan comes once a week. I've seen fucking pink unicorns come up, man, more often than than you would imagine, dude. Pink fucking unicorns, dude. Yeah, man. So it's like anything is possible in trading. I'm not fucking kidding you. A Tilray going from $40 to $300 in a matter of less than a month, fucking possible. A stock going to zero is possible. They can halt this fucker, delist it to both. I've seen shit like that. Right, guys? I mean, you've seen all sorts of crazy shit. Don't worry about commission. I trade for free. I add to liquidity. I plan out my trades. Arca gives me the rebate. I trade for free. So don't worry about the commission, guys. Once you get over 25,000, you can join our broker, and our broker gives you what's called liquidity rebate. And so you add to the order flow, which means you do not hit the bid, do not hit the offer. They pay you to trade. Okay, so let's go back to the history once again, okay? I just covered up IGC 378 as I showed you in real fucking time. Someone said they wanted to see me record a trade. I just fucking recorded a trade right there. $4 short area to 378. Fucking 20 cents move, man. In a matter of minutes with no stress, teaching you guys. Remember I keep telling you, man, shit tanks when I start the recap. I didn't size up because I was doing the recap, but fuck, dude, this was a $4 fucking dollars, dude. 20-cent move on a $4 stock. It's a big percentage, guys. Big percentage. That adds up all fucking day. People keep asking me like, where would I stop if this happened? But it didn't fucking happen, dude. I hate these theoretical shit because it's obvious, guys, what you can do once you see the chart, right? That's just why the best way to teach something is to show what I actually did and how I fucked up. Because any fucking guru, a hindsight guru, can go back at the end of the day and start talking with. And I see so many guys on Twitter post shit like, dude, today's my biggest day. I did this. I'm like, you didn't post a single fucking trade, motherfucker. I could have done the fucking guru thing. I hate that shit, okay? I show you what I did wrong and what I did right. So let's go back to the history and I will show you what I did wrong today. I did a lot of wrong today, dude. A lot. So the history. So Tilray ran for like 10 days, 12 days, right? And so And so this is why it gave me the indication that, dude, MBEV, this is all hindsight shit. You may believe me or don't believe me, but this is how we analyze things at the end, because this is what I'm going to learn to trade better the next time. Okay. The hooroo stuff is not to make myself look good, because no shit, anybody can examine a chart after the fact and make every fucking perfect call. That's not how you learn to trade. Okay, IGC. Let me put down my buy orders. This is still a long bias. Okay. Let me see. I'm still trading while I'm doing this, because just using my lines, guys. Go small so that you can scale in and out, right? See it trap people at $4. Now it's gonna trap the longs soon. I mean, the short. First, it trapped the longs at $4. The reason why I went to $4 is the shorts. Actually, it squeezed the fucking shorts to $4. So don't think that it's the longs that are buying it. It's not the longs that are buying it, guys. I think the longs are smarter than us, dude. The shorts, okay? So it's a lot of times when people say it's the long and short. It's not the longs or the shorts. It's the fucking shorts driving the ship to $4. So when you see these guys on Twitter saying, you're a dumbass for buying Tilray at $300. No one's fucking buying Tilray at $300. No long. It's a fucking dumbass short that covered that shit and ran that shit to $300. You guys make sense? It's a dumbass short that did not listen to me about Zombie Hour during IGC running to $4. Simple as that. A buy is a buy, a sell is a sell, regardless you call it a short or whatever. But the point is, the person buying this shit at the top is usually the fucking short seller. That's an idiot short seller. It's not a long, guys. So when these guys are making fun of the longs, buying that shit, it's not the longs. It's the dumbass shorts. Because come on, man, who the fuck has $300 a share to buy up here? Only an idiot would be chasing it. And idiots do not have this much money to buy $300 a position at $3 share, right? Makes perfect sense, right, guys? It's just so the only dummy guy that ran up is because of the margin calls I ran up. So the reason why I ran up $12, so that's why MBEV ran so much, because and then I think there was also a filing or something. Someone said that Tilray guy bought this. I don't know if it's the same stock. It was just some bullshit. There's so many bullshit pumpers out there that are making these claims, and so I don't know what's fucking real or not. But you know what, man? I got scared of MBEV yesterday. I woke up and I was like, "Fuck, dude." So yesterday, MBEV fucking I woke up and the fucking pre-market just killed everybody, right? To $6, and I went back to bed. I swear, I went fucking straight back to bed. Let me show you why. So this is the learning lessons. Like a lot of times, like even if you don't trade, you can learn or after the fact that you learn. You learn after the fact to learn, not to fucking like beat your chest and go, "I told you so." But fucking man, these guys, I told you so, don't make any fucking money. Okay, so we're here to learn. And so yesterday, this is the clue that I did not go to work tomorrow, guys. I mean, yesterday, okay? I may joke about whatever else, but dude, I woke up, I saw this shit. I was like, fuck, I'm going back to bed. Because I know that this is going to kill me. Because I know I do not have the discipline to fucking avoid this stock yesterday. And it was surely enough. I do not have the discipline. I mean, I know myself. So this is the thing with you guys. Okay, guys? You have to know yourself. If you do not have the fucking discipline, get the fuck out of the house. I keep telling you guys. I keep screaming at you guys. 10:30, 11, get the fuck out of the house, because IGC is going to trap your fucking ass. If you're gonna be fucking, do not have discipline to wait to $4. I've been a broken record, and I told the room, okay, it's better for me to be a broken record than for me to be broke. It's better to be a broken record than it is to be broke. It's better to be a broken record than it is to be broke. Get that shit in your mind, guys. Get that shit in your head. So yesterday I woke up, I knew this shit's gonna fuck people. You know why? Because fuck, man, they ran this shit from fucking 4. Everyone thought it was over. Everyone thought it was over. I was like, dude, everyone wanted to wake up and locate like 1 million shares of this shit and fucking go all in on the short. Day 3, day 4, it's over, man. No fucking way. And so, but that's why I was lucky, kind of overslept. And so I missed this entire pre-market fucking jam, this squeeze. So I squeezed this shit pre-market to $6, man. It's fucking crazy. And so if you had FOMO, if you're missing out, you would have been fucking entering this shit. Oh shit, I feel IGC again. Hold on. I just feel 369 and we scale out 10 and 20 cents. Some fucking shit over and over. Anyway, so I saw this move. I'm like, dude, they saved this fucking stock. Remember, I keep telling you, once they fucking save a stock, get the fuck out. You're getting trapped. It's a trap, man. And so I was like, I'm going back to bed. Because what's gonna happen is they move that shit to $6. They're gonna tank it, and you think that's the fucking top. You think that $6 is the fucking top, or $5.50 is the top, okay? And then you fucking start sizing it. They control the fucking stock. You see them fucking manipulate it. It's a very manipulative stock chart. Let me show you what I mean by manipulation, okay? Dude, hold on, I'm still trying to sell some of this IGC. Okay, so notice it's a stair step all the way up. Every dip was supported. So some motherfucker has an algo or some guy buying this shit on every dip. This is a forced fucking thing. Okay? The same way it was forced going down. Take a look at this. If you zoom in on yesterday's chart on MBEV, you will see that it's a stair step down. It's a forced shit. It's not natural. No fucking trades naturally like that. Someone is purposely supporting it and manipulating it and doing shit with it, right, guys? And so I didn't want to get involved. I swear, I just fucking went down to bed. IGC. Someone listen to me. You guys all try to pre-sell try to trade off my daily recaps. No, but seriously, I went back to bed, and then when I woke back up, I couldn't sleep, dude. I swear, I tried to sleep. I fucking my hand was fucking glued to my fucking hand. My phone was glued to my hand watching this shit. I'm like, please do not get killed, guys. Please do not fucking get killed. And I know myself enough, and I'm like, thank God I did not work because I would have been trapped. I know myself. You need to know yourself. So you need to look into the mirror this fucking weekend if you fucking lost or even if you made money. Okay? A lot of times, a lot of this money making is based on bad habits and luck. It's not because you pre-planned it, dude. IGC, I was actually proud because I planned this. And that's because the fact that, dude, man, I got killed too many fucking times on this shit. And so I'm like, dude, I'm not going to be a dummy. I'm going to resist. And because the money is flowing. Remember, I keep telling you money flows from one stock to another, one pumper money. And so it flowed from Tilray to MBEV, New Age Beverages. And now it's IGC. The moment this shit tanked, they took the money out and started fucking pumping this shit up. And we thank God we noticed this pre-market. I told you, man. So like Alex said yesterday, man, something is wrong. This stock IGC was fucking down. How could it fucking make a move like this so fucking quick? Something's not right. When something's not right, get the fuck out, right? Reverse, you know? So MBEV, I wasn't here yesterday. I didn't want to be here yesterday. So the lesson learned from me is this: know yourself. I know I cannot resist, and I will get trapped. I will get beaten up. So I fucking went back to bed. Seriously, I swear to God, guys, I saw this shit like this. I'm like, nope, not for me. I do not have the fucking discipline to do this shit. I'd rather miss it, guys. You see what I'm saying? So that covers MBEV, man. I don't want to talk much. Oh, so today, let's finish the MBEV. I fucked up MBEV. I made money, but I fucked up big time. Fucking like, I didn't get the move. Because so let's take a look at this. So I'll show you all my trades, good and bad. This is fucking embarrassing as fuck. So Alex cleaned up, man. I think he made like 100 grand or something. Okay, and so I was fucking playing very tight. I didn't expect. My orders were higher, and so you know, I had some shorts. So I started too soon. That's what the problem was. But I didn't go size. So I was able to add at the top $10. So I went back down. I made money. So once again, the FOMO hit me. I told you, man, this is why I suck. I know what my weaknesses are, and so sometimes like I'm trying to change it. I'm not a fucking perfect person. So you just have to deal with your capabilities, you know, like I'm not a fucking like 6 foot tall giant, 7 foot tall giant can slam dunk a ball. So I know my limitations. So if I play basketball, I'm going to concentrate on things that I'm good at, maybe free throws. Yeah, hold on. MBev is coming back up. Let me check my orders. Let me check my orders. IGC, I just took some for 10 cents. Just, just simple scaling in and out. I might play it safe and just take some more. Hold on, guys. Like I said, the best way to learn is to trade. Learn the mechanics first. That's what we call paper trading. And then the motion set in, man. When there's real money on the line, that's when the fucking that's the problem, man. It's like you get freaked out and all this sort of shit, right, guys? So, all right, I am good and gooder. So let's go back to how I fucked up MBev. This is not that big of a size. I only had, maybe how much, like 7,000. That's it. That's not that much. So when we went back up, I added more. So went back down. So I had a lot of room, right? I was kind of scared that it'll hit $10, and surely it did hit $10. And then when it went down, this is my mistake. I took it off because the reason I took it off is fuck, man. When you're down and then when you come back up and you get a little, this is my weakness. I start to take it because I'm like, I'm fucking wrong. I don't want to be wrong again. The worst feeling is when you're down and then it comes back and you're in the money and you don't take the money and then now you lose. You see what I'm saying? So so once again, let me explain that. The worst feeling, one of the worst feelings, there's a couple of worst feelings, but like getting kicked in the nuts is a bad feeling. I'd rather get kicked in the nuts than to lose some of these, than this. Okay? I'd rather get kicked in the nuts and have this happen. I'll give you an example. I'm down on this stock. Not much, but down still, right? So I had 7,000 shares or whatever. So I'm down like $7,000 at $10. No problem. I added more. Okay. Cause that was my plan to add $10. And so when it went back down, I started covering. So now I'm in the money. So now you're like, okay, dude, I'm in the fucking money. I was down. Now I'm in the money. What do you do? The worst feeling for me, this is my issue. Cause I've seen it too many times where now it traps and now it's fucking at $11, dude. And you're like, what the fuck? I had a chance to get the fuck out with a modest gain after being down. What the fuck do I do? I fucking covered because I'm a fucking piker. I'm an idiot. But I erred on the side of caution, right? I made my money. If it went up to $11, fuck. I mean, this is so hard. Sometimes, like, man, sometimes when you're beat in a stock or when you're fighting someone like in an MMA, you're beat, just fucking tap out before you go unconscious, And so I kind of fucking tapped out. I was like, fuck, I took my money. I don't want to be that fucking guy that fucking got trapped and now it's at $12. What I didn't have enough conviction, guys. I did not have enough conviction. That's my problem. I was, it's like I saw too many dead bodies. To be honest, that's what it is. I was so fucking scared because I don't want to be a dead body. I seen people lose every fucking day on this stock. And I'm like, fuck, man. Like when you're down, it's like, so 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, not much in terms of position size for me. But dude, I didn't want to get into this adding game where now it's like $12. Dude, I get in the 20,000 position and then fuck now I have a 50,000 position down fucking $500,000 and just stupid shit like that. And that the problem is, dude, I'm a fucking human, dude. If I was a fucking robot, the robots are the best traders, by the way. If I was a fucking robot, I fucking have no fear, dude. See, I swear, I have fucking no fear. I don't get into these fuck. So the problem I had was I overthought this fucking trade, dude. I overthought this fucking trade. Remember I said just fucking believe in your lines, and the lines came $10. I said it pre-market too. Remember when we said $9.50, $10. But I fucking have FOMO started at $9. I didn't want to miss the trade. If I just started later, so this is how I fix it. The reason I tell you this because the next time I'm going to do better. That's all you can do, guys. You can do better the next time. So each time I'm doing a little better. Okay. How do I do better? By because I fucking fucked up. This time I decided to not get in as much size. So I mean, only 7,000, and I had fucking room to add. Back in the day, maybe I would have been in fucking already like 20,000 shares, thinking like, yeah, and then take a 50-cent loss, you know? So I'm learning better. So the next time, you know what I'm learning? Fuck, believe in the fucking lines. If I'd started at 950, guys, I would be holding this shit now. I wouldn't have been down. You see the problem? The problem is once I'm down $1 on the fucking stock and it comes back down $1, the fuck? Do I take it? You see what I'm saying? So, fuck, man, I'm going to preserve my fucking capital. Took the fucking game, get the fuck out. This stock has beat me. I have no fucking pride. I waved the right flag, but the white flag is a green flag. I fucking made money on this stock. You see all these fucking covers? I was able to get the fuck out and say, phew. If this thing went to $12, I look like a fucking genius, guys. It went down, I look like an idiot. But you know what? Who the idiots are? The idiots is the one that don't recognize their deficiencies, and then they may get lucky on this one trade. And the next time, guys, the next MBEV that comes, and I decide to hold, it turns into $20, and I'm fucking down $1 million. So you know what, man? You have to, you basically, like, sometimes, like, a stock beats you, it beats you, man. This stock has been beating every motherfucker up. Guys are making money now, but how much did they lose before that? I didn't fucking lose a single day, knock on wood, this week. Knock on wood. I may not have the giant fucking P&L today from this stock, but I didn't fucking lose. And I live to fight another day, because the next time that happens, this thing could be fucking Tilray, $100 a share. That makes sense, guys? So you can try things in the future, maybe hold a smaller position here, half a position, a quarter position, and let it play out. And then put a stop at 950 again. But this stock, I'm like, dude, this stock moves on air where even a 50-cent cushion is not enough, dude. I can't, you can't fucking feel. As shown by yesterday's fucking move. Yesterday's fucking move was just fucking like this on fucking air. So I admit, dude, I mean, I keep telling you guys, I'm not a fucking awesome trader. What I am is, I know my deficiencies, and I set up my game plan and be disciplined to work around my deficiencies. So, example, like someone told me, like this teacher in high school told me, he could never dunk a ball. He never shoot a fucking shit. He wants to play basketball, but he can't do that kind of stuff. He's a little guy like me, So, but you know what he told me? He goes, but Bal, I don't fucking miss a free throw, because that's the one thing I fucking practice. So I became the best fucking free thrower on the team. So they let me play on the team. Okay. And then I go around and try to get guys to foul me. That's how I score. Sometimes in life, that's what the fuck you have to do, right? So he was able to sit and practice a free throw every fucking day, because he can't slam the dunk. There's physical limitations he cannot do. And there are mental situations that I could come try to close, but I'm like, dude, man, I still get these PTSD shit, right? So, so you try to do the best that you can. So the best was, I should not even have gone in this early. Let the fucking early guys get trapped. If I stuck to what I told the fucking room, $9.50, $10, and I started at 9, the extreme levels, I'd be fucking sitting pretty. So the next time that this comes, I bet you, I'm not going to be fucking sizing it. The reason I size it is I'm listening to all these motherfuckers, and they're like, oh, I'm fucking in. I'm huge. I'm like, so I got that FOMO fucking shit. I'm like, I don't want to be missing out. I want to be missing out. So I'm going to fucking go in too. But but the thing is, like, you have to play for yourself, and just sometimes you tune in the noise, dude. Tune in on what other people are fucking doing. And just fucking work yourself out. So 380, I fucking sold this shit, dude. Let me see. Let me show you. So coming back to IGC now. So that's MBEV. So today, let's finish the MBEV. I'm all over, but okay, we didn't finish the rest. So how I started making so I missed the fucking whole I missed the fucking move. I missed this fucking giant ass move. This is where people made all their money. But these people were also squeezed to $10. They were before they made $50,000. They were down $50,000. You see what I'm saying? So it's all fucking relative. It's basically it's up to you to define your own risk parameter. If your risk parameter says I'm willing to lose $30,000 to make $100,000, then do it. For me, I'm not willing to fucking be down $50,000 before I make $50,000. That's not me. That's just the way I fucking trade, dude. I've been doing this for a long time, and that's like fuck, man. Who the fuck knows? And this is what kept me from fucking dying on Tilray. A lot of these guys are geniuses, and they have giant bankrolls. Depends on your bankroll. You can have $1 million loss, and this guy has fucking $100 million in an account. Who gives a fuck, right? You can fucking keep at it forever. So it all depends on your own risk parameters. So don't think like people are losing $30,000 a day. That's like a rough day for them. But if their risk parameter is to risk 30 to make 100, it's fucking awesome. So it's up to you guys, and we're talking these huge numbers, but just scale down the numbers yourself, dude, in the $100 range or the $1,000 range, right? So it's up to you to determine what your risk parameter is. So you can't say someone's stupid, like fucking Citron. We joke around like that. I joke around that, but no one has a bankroll like Citron has. They probably have $500 million. So what the fuck is $10 million loss to them? But they know this shit eventually fucking come down. So their risk parameter was, okay, I set my max loss. Remember, you always have the max loss. Their max loss might be $20 million. We don't fucking know. They're playing with options, so they got some hedge going. I'm pretty sure they're not fucking stupid. I joke around, but they're not fucking stupid. They have a huge bankroll. I don't have the bankroll of Citron. My bankroll is bigger than your bankroll, but ain't no Citron bankroll. And so I'm not fucking going to get squeezed at $3. I cannot get to squeeze at $300, but they can. Same thing with MBEV. I don't want to get squeezed at $10 holding fucking 50,000 shares. If you have a $10 million bankroll, that's nothing. I don't want to put that on the line today on a Friday before I go on fucking a weekend vacation. It's up to you to set your own. But I keep telling you, pre-plan. If you deviate from the fucking pre-plan, then that's your bad. But if you pre-plan the fact that you are going to get squeezed to $10 and you know that you're down 30 grand and it's okay, then do it. That's not a bad trade because you already planned it ahead of time. You plan to lose 30, to be down 30 grand first before you make 100. Because you'll know, you never plan to be down that, but you're giving yourself like a cushion. Like, it's expected. Whenever I enter a trade, guys, it's always down. Every time you enter a trade, of course you're going to be down. Okay? You'll be down a little bit because like it fucking moves up and down, right? So you have to be accounting for that. So when it went down, I was like, I didn't chase. I was like, fuck it. I was so fucking pissed. But I want to show you my IGC trade, which was fucking easy as hell and made a shitload of money too. So this is why. So I'm going to show you the next one. So the next one's a real lesson here, guys. So the first lesson, this is like, I fucked up. I waved the right flag and I will do better next time. And so I waited. I didn't have FOMO. I waited for it to come back. You see that? So I made my little tiny redemption trade at the 750 line. Oh, see, that's embarrassing shit. Fuck, man. So I shorted here, fucking cover here, and fuck it. Hey, man, this one stock does not define me as a trader at all. So I didn't fucking make the big bucks on this fucking trade. Okay, you made $1 million. Okay, cool, good for you. It's completely fine. So when you start trading long time, those things, kind of fucking like gets in your brain. Like, fuck, my friend made so much fucking money. Why didn't I? And this is the problem you have with this is a makeup trade. So the next trade, I'm going to fucking size in more than him and show him I'm better a trader than him. That's when you get killed. Just trade within yourself. And that's why I don't like to post P&L. As well, because I don't want other people to compete with me. And, it's cool. You can tell my P&L by looking at my trades. If I'm going to educate you, I'd rather show you my trades so that you can learn from my mistakes, right? The reason why I also, this is the usual trap, I guess. So this is another thing you gotta realize. So I made money in the morning, top ticking MBEV. You see this? I top ticked at 888 or some shit like that right here. I covered it down here. So it gave me the false confidence to size up more here. You see that? I made money here. I expected the same thing to happen. It did. It dropped down. I made money here. So it was a fucking trap. I shorted here. I covered here. You see that? So good thing I covered some, man. Otherwise, I'd be panicking up here more. But I covered half of my position down here. So I did it right. I covered half, hoping the other half would fall here. But hey, shit doesn't happen very easily like that in life, right? That would be way too fucking obvious for a stock that squeezed for fucking 7 days. Everyone's trapped upside down to end so easily. To be able to fucking just let me hammer this shit down. Let everybody make $1 million. So what it did was this. It went back to the resistance from the pre-market. Everyone's fucking loading up at $9 like I did. And then it tanks down real quick. You're like, yeah, I'm in the money, motherfucker. So I took some off. Some people did not, and that's why they get killed. And it fucking air shot 50 cents up. No fucking chance for you to fucking cover and get the fuck out. And then moonshot up even more. You see what happens? That's why this is the classic trap. It trapped all over the place. Now it trapped the longs up here and the shorts up here. It trapped every motherfucker, right? The only people that don't trap is the people that had the plan. Their plan was to scale up to $10 to short, and just write it. Be okay with fucking like being down until that shit happens. So it trapped. I got out, dude. I made money here. I thought I was fucking good. I was like, yeah, motherfucker, $9 to $8.40. Look at this. I covered at $8.20, dude. Look at this shit. $8.20 something, $8.28. I fucking bottom tick this shit. I top tick this shit. I'm the king. I'm the best. Nope, motherfucker. Fucking squeeze the $10. You dumbass bow. You fucking too busy, fucking gloating, being happy, and then this is the thing, man. Trading, you gotta be humble, man. We get excited all the fucking time, but you know what? You gotta be humble. I keep saying that. People fuck up. They get excited. They make money. But you know what? The markets humble you very quickly. Sometimes within minutes, seconds, it humbles you. I went from fucking 9 big size, whatever here, blah blah blah, covering the dead bottom, some position, 828. Fucking like an 80-cent move, dude, in like a minute. I thought I was good. Just like Alex yesterday. Just like fucking Alex yesterday. Trapped the same fucking way. Hit the resistance. We load in the resistance. Fucking nailed the bottom cover some. Only covered half. Thinking I'm going to add more as it goes down. Completely to right. I fucked up. Because where Alex did right yesterday, he covered. I kept adding. And that when it was $10, I'm like, fuck, I'm already in too much. And when it went back down, I took it off. You see the mistake? If I had covered, I would have been my brain would have been fucking good. Then I would be re-attacking the high and holding it. You guys still hear my volume? People say you can't hear me. I think it's you that's not hearing me, right? I think my volume's good. Good. You see what I'm saying, guys? So cutting your losses is huge. I told you, man. I took the day off yesterday because I would die. I don't have that fucking discipline that Alex has. This is why I'm thinking, you know what, man? Losing is good. Losing small is good before you get the mother of all losses. So I fucked up. I was too confident that went back up. I fucking started entering back. You see this? And then it fucking went to $10. Like, oh, fuck. If I just fucking stopped out, something's wrong. It's trapping, whatever, right? It worked out in the sense of when it went down, but fuck, man. So I already fucking waved the flag. They already fucked me. My brain is fucked up. I didn't want to fucking fuck with it. So I waited. I cleared my head, and I made some money here. From 740 to the 7, and then down to 680. So I made money. But fuck, I didn't make the $100,000 money on this. And so that was MBEV. And my decision to not work yesterday was fucking right because I did not have the discipline to cover here. If I covered here, I would have been fucking loaded up at $10. If I had the discipline, like I told you guys, to wait until the lines to hit the extreme lines. And the traps is the history of traps, man. Fucking stupid. I'm still fucking stupid. Seriously, I'm fucking stupid. I got too hyper because I didn't trade yesterday. I fucking missed a day. I'm too horny to fucking trade. Sometimes that happens too, man. I'm just fucking human, and and there are a lot of you guys out there like me, man. That's just what a normal human being is, okay? And so the only thing we do is recognize it and fucking be better next time, guys. Patience, discipline, and make some money. I mean, fuck, man. I made more money today than I made fucking being an engineer for a fucking entire month, year, So, So it's like it all depends, you know. So let's switch to IGC. So I'll tell you. So actually, this is a great lesson. This is an amazing lesson. Um, I'm just making sure my open orders. IGC. Any questions on MBEV, guys? Before we move on, did what I say resonate? Does that sound much like the thinking that you go through as well? Any questions on MBEV, guys? That makes sense, right, guys? Um, once again, lines. Stick to the lines. Reading tape, all that. You know what reading tape translates into? It's just the lines, man. It's like so. You need to have all these skills if you want to be better. Okay, there is no such thing as best. The more skills you have, the better. IGC. There we go. I shorted the fucking pop up there. Let's see. Okay, covered it here. Let's see. All right. I now have no positions left. So now we can fully. Let me see my open positions right now. So once I start on these training rants, I get focused, man. I don't see anything else. All right, okay, guys. IGC, man. Let's do this. IGC is gonna be going. I fucked up, man, in the beginning. Just putting in my orders. Let me see. Notice I don't alert you because I don't want you to follow me. I don't know fucking right or wrong. I don't want to trap anybody. So my intention is never to fucking have anybody get trapped. IGC. This is beautiful right here, guys. IGC. There are no comments on the I turned off the comments on the webinar, right, guys? So we're clean today. There's no Q&A, and the only people that can talk to us is our members. So this is why you should join, because now you can be interactive and it's real time, and this is the advantage. Okay, I'm telling you, man. look at how much I traded IGC. Stressless, no stress today on this, guys. I chose the right direction. Fucking executed my plan just like pre-market. Remember, I pre-market. You know why I said it was a trap pre-market? Because I got fucking trapped pre-market. I got fucking trapped pre-market. Because why? MBEV died. Tilray died. Every fucking weed shit died. IGC, no fucking news. Sympathy has to fucking die. So what I did, I made a great plan. Fucking start scaling in at the 280 line, 270, 280 line, because that was the line. So I scaled in, no fucking problem. Once again, it trapped. It fucking trapped. This is why it gave me a false sense of confidence. Because it gave FOMO too. So in the morning, look what IGC did in the morning. And learn this fucking pattern, dude. You can't fucking spot all the time, but this is the death. The death if you don't fucking see it and recognize it. So in the morning, it went to 260 above, right? And it started going down. And keep making new lows, dude. This is fucking over. Fucking over. Pissed off. Why didn't I size in? So fucking pissed off. So when it popped back up, right here around when it packed like that, I fucking shorted. Covered it. 20 cents. Cool. I was like, fuck, wish I had more size. Please go back up. Please go back up to IGC. Oh yeah, it's coming up. I'm gonna reshort it. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I top ticked that shit. Oh, fuck, all of a sudden I'm down. What the fuck? And then Alex goes, so something's not right, dude. When a stock goes from breakdown this much to being saved multiple lines back to a fucking high of day, back to pre-market highs. Hold on, let me see where my lines were for IGC. Okay, I'm good. Maybe I'm gonna cancel all trades. Oh fuck, it hit me or something. Hold on, guys. IGC is falling apart. I entered 338, 339 long side. Let me scale out. Hold on, guys. Let me sweet. Live trading. 338, 339. Why the fucking line? I keep telling you. 340 line. All day. I told you fucking pre-market. If that fucking loses, then we have a problem. The next line will be down to the 320, 310 line here. So let's see if it traps or not. I still don't think it's over. I think it's fucking trapping. You see what I mean? Gotta give it range. This is where it fucking traps for the next leg to 230. I mean, at the 340 line, guys. Look at that. I just made fucking 10 cents, dude. I'm scaling out 347, now in 356, 357. Just like that, guys. Fucking lines. What the fuck did I tell you? Jesus. I think I should charge more. Someone said I should charge more. Did you guys see this action on IGC? Did you see this action? If you're a short or a long, it doesn't fucking matter. You can make money just being disciplined and waiting and trading around the channel, guys. What did I tell you? 338, 339. Hold on, guys. So, it was short here, covered some, went long, just a channel. You go from 4 line to 380 line to 3, you know what I'm saying? Go from line to line, dude. Line to fucking line. I'll show you all this once I get out of this. I don't want to lose any money on this. So sick, huh, guys? Are you guys seeing this in real time here? You see how the fucking this shit works? Do you see how this fucking works? No stress, man. Because why? I still recognize this was bullish. Look at that, 356, 357. Did I not fucking say it? Now this is all fucking gravy right now. I sold more out there. You know what's going to happen now? 380 becomes a line. Is that sick, guys? Is that sick? I mean, that's fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful. I'm fucking sorry, but that's fucking beautiful. It did exactly what I keep fucking telling you guys. You can use this information to short or long. It doesn't fucking matter what your position is. What I do is I go fucking both sides on this stock. This stock is to me, it's awesome. I love these type of charts. Why? Because it channels. And when it channels, I can just rape it. each fucking time it touches the channel, it comes down to the bottom of the channel. So all day, dude, you see, I lit it up like a Christmas tree. I'm going to show you now. Hold on, let me put my orders in. You see how confident I am? I mean, on the lines, if you're trading small and stuff, I'm trading smaller size during the so all I'm doing is just doing the extreme lines, 380 now to 340. Nothing magical, man. I'll fucking show you this too. It's fucking awesome. Remember I said 356, 357? Fucking there, dude. You fucking got your 20-cent move. People keep saying, what the risk for, but it didn't happen, man. What if I don't fucking know until it happens? Seriously, I swear, I could, guys, if you ask me what if it happens, it's very, it's a very obvious answer. Look at the chart. I could tell you the same thing that you can determine yourself. Okay. The problem is when you get into this and you're emotional, I don't really know what I would do. If you're asking me when I'm not in the trade, it's very obvious. Just look at the chart. I could tell you I'm a fucking 100% Einstein and take the loss. I don't fucking know. You see what I'm saying? Exactly. My rule is max loss, dude. Or, you come up with your plan. So my plan was I had small enough size where I was going to add until, or when it broke under. If it broke under, I don't really know. Be honest, I don't know, guys. I could tell you I know everything. I don't know. What I do know is what I did. And so let's go back to what I did. See? 380 line. Some shorts here. Cover some shit. We short. Nailed the bottom here. Sold it here. Sold some more here. I have no position in the stock now. Go from line to line. The extreme line I told you was the 340. 340. So what I did was I bought the 339, 338, Let me post some stuff to the members only. Okay, well, you see the deserve. Okay, so let's go to IGC and what I did right and what I did wrong and how I figured out this was a fucking long all day bias stock. Can you determine how many shares to buy? That's up to your bankroll, up to your risk parameter. You have to determine beforehand. I do this very quickly in my head, but for the beginners, I really truly think that you should write it down before you make the trade. Write it down. Because if you don't have time to write it down, you're winging this motherfucker and you're chasing shit, you're hot keying shit, and you're gonna lose. When I make these trades on the fly, I'm using my many years and decades of experience and to formulate these plans already in my head. The beginners need to write it down. So do that as an exercise. Before you make a trade, maybe write down the reasons and the exits and the enters and the, oh shit, what happened, stop loss, right? If you don't have time to do that and you don't know the reason why, you don't have an exit plan, why the fuck are you getting in? Why wing it? If you want to wing it, go to the casino. It looks like I'm winging shit, but I'm not. I keep telling you, 340 line. Did I not tell you 340 line, guys? Fucking bounced off at fucking 340. Now it's fucking 365. Did I not tell you 356 was the exit? 357? I took the meat of the fucking move. Oh, okay, and I'm fucking trading too, so it fucking makes it more difficult. I mean, I'm training you guys, so let's go back and let me show you what I did. Okay. And these are channel trade guys. So let's go. So let me finish about the topic about channel trade. I love this type of stock chart. It conforms to the chart. What does conforming to the chart mean? This is a term I made up. It means, dude, if you use technical analysis, it's pretty dead on. It conforms. There's no trickery. Ambev, on the other hand, full of tricks, dude. That's why I waved the red flag. Technical analysis, all this bullshit did not fucking work for 7 days. Full of tricks. You think you're in the money. You think this shit, it fucking fools you. Does not conform to the chart. Is not predictable. It's a fucking prayer stock. You pray it fucking works in your favor. When you're down, when you're up 50 cents, it's not enough cushion. It runs $1. You know? So IGC, on the other hand, if you follow discipline and chart it, if it conforms to the chart. 340 supported all day long. 360 resistance. So all I did was buy the support, sell the resistance. I'm actually not shorting. You can short if you want to be greedy on both sides. Sometimes I do. In the morning I do sometimes, but if it's a long bias, you just buy the support because you don't know when it'll just do this and just poof, from 360 to 380 instantaneously. You cannot fucking fill. You see, this is the long bias. So you should be buying the washes and selling the pops. Don't get too greedy by shorting the top because the top can be gone in a flash. You see that? The guys are greedy and thinking they're going to short 360 and cover 340 got fucking murdered. So all I do is I'm playing the safe. So what you do is you recognize the stock going up or down. And is it a trade? Is there enough range for you to fucking trade? And then you fucking work the charts. Let's see what the fuck I did. So let's go through the complete mental. So look at this, dude. Right? Look at this. I filled this shit right here, 338. Wasn't bullshitting you. I fucking told you exactly where the line was, where I was buying. And that's it. I dumped it up here. See the cells? Why doesn't short 360 cover? It works. I've done it, but it's riskier because like now you're shorting 360 line here. Boom, you just fucking lost. It works until it doesn't work. It usually works a couple of times, and the third time it fucking doesn't work, and you fucking get killed. And so the safest way is to buy and sell, because it's a long bias. If you want to get greedy, you can short the 360 and cover, which I've done a couple of times. But I'm like, dude, it held 340 too many times. If I go back to the well too many times, it's fuck, I'm gonna fall in the well. Let's see, another guy. It worked every time. 360, cover 340, worked again. Oops, the third time you just got yourself a 20-cent loss. Because it's long bias. It's still bull trending. It's trending up. If it's trending down, you do the same thing. You on the reverse, right? Yeah, you fall in the well, you fucking drown, dude. And so this is what it is. So in the morning, dude, so remember I told you I got this is the same fucking trickery that fucked me up that fucked up me and Bev in the beginning, fucked up Alex yesterday. And so Alex told me, fucking just cover this shit, take a small loss, and get the fuck out. So I covered all this shit. I didn't lose much. This is a paper cut, and then focus on Mbev, which I fucked up too. But I made money, but fucking up and doing well, trading it correlates to dollar, but when I say I fuck up, doesn't mean I fucking like. You can still, for me, even if I'm green, I fuck up, and I'm pissed about fucking up. So I always try to get better. And that's why I was like, man, so I'm always the hardest on myself, but people look at the P&L like, oh, you did great, pal. Nah, dude, I fucked up. And that's how it is. So seeing the trades is more important than seeing the P&L. So the way I do it, I like because I do this to educate you. Alex doesn't do the daily recaps, and so we split it up where he shows the P&L. So he shows you what is the possibility that if you follow the discipline, which I try to teach you, that you can make. It's like it's not to show off, guys. It's to show. It's like, so there's two ways to do it. It's like people always ask, like, what's the potential to make money on that? And so there's two things that you can show the P&L, but the P&L doesn't paint the entire picture. So between me and Alex, you should get a sense of what's going on. And so that's why I think Alex was a good partner for me when we launched this, because he's where you are, dude. Because I mentored him for a long time, and then you still, we all have the discipline problems, the immaturity problems, and all that FOMO. And so he explained it yesterday, where you have back-to-back $30,000 days, and so today, but if you didn't do so, watch yesterday's IG live that Alex did. It was great, and we used once again the casino analogy, blackjack analogy, where it's like the situation maybe 8 or 9 out of 10 time works all the fucking time. That's what we call it, working all the time, right? 8 or 9 times out of 10 working all the time. But and so he did it. He hit the 20, which I thought was actually not a $20 hand, a blackjack 20, but maybe a 19. And the dealer fucking drew a 21. What the fuck can you do, right? You put your money in when the cards are in your favor. But what he did very well was he stopped out at $6 on MBEV. Fucking hit $6, and now it's $10 today. He did a fucking fantastic job. I lost 30 grand. That was the best trade of the week for him, dude. I'm not joking. You think today's P&L is the best day? No, for me, those 2 days stopping out at $3.50, where at $4 and $6 or $5 was the best trade. Because if he was, because he has a big bankroll in terms of buying power, he can keep averaging up to fucking 10 million, whatever the fuck he wants to do, right? But so the best trade for him was to take a $30,000 haircut. I mean, a loss. Okay, he was in a fucking giant position, maybe 75,000 shares, dude. To lose that little on a trap, it's amazing. So I think that was his best fucking trade of the week, guys. A lot of people don't have that discipline. They would blow up. I guarantee you, they would fucking keep adding and then cover at $10. How the fuck you survive a squeeze from $6 to $10? Unless you don't trade. You're a paper trader. That's the only way you can survive that fucking shit. So the best trade, Alex, I'm gonna tell you right now, the best fucking trade was your fucking $30,000 stop loss at $6. There was no recovery from there. It never went back down to that. 2 days of fucking hell. Now it's at $10. You're dead. You might as well go back to fucking Starbucks, bro. So you see how I think as a trader, it's not nailing the fucking shit. Sometimes the best trade is a no trade. The best trade for me this week, guys, was not fucking trading yesterday. The best trade for me was not IGC. I nailed every move, knock on wood. But just for, but it's not trading yesterday. Waking up and realizing, oh fuck, I'm gonna die. I might as well just sleep in. That was my best trade. To avoid getting fucked up, to come here fresh today. I slept. I fucking came to work fresh. I'm not holding a big loss, clear-headed. And I still fucked up. But I'm able to recover. That's the beauty of this whole game, guys. Don't keep adding to your fucking pain, to your loss. I cut my shit here. This is my best trade of the day. My best trade of the day was fucking, I had 20,000 shares, guys. 20 fucking thousand shares shorted. I thought it was over. And 20,000, I was like, so I gave myself 20,000 here. I located a bunch, and I was like, there's no fucking way I'll break 280. No fucking way. When it was down at 220, how the fuck is this shit gonna fucking break 280? So I'm already in my positions that I had 20,000 shares. If I had fucking not taken the fucking loss, I didn't lose that much. I think I had like $1,000, so it was nothing. I probably broke even, but I started scaling down. So I played it very safe. And so, in my opinion, this was my best fucking trade of the day. If I had fucking just not covered a shitload, you see all these covers here? I've been stuck from this to fucking, I would have been down 40 grand. Where the fuck it is? Hit fucking $4, guys. Instead, what I did, I fucking nailed it. Came in fresh, took the loss, no fucking deal, nailed it. Fucking $4. Started coming down, covering. Nailed the fucker at 305. I realized this now is a long because so now when it came back up, look at this beautiful chart. Fucking now I realized it was a long. I fucked up. When I went that down, you know what I did? I did my first bounce strategy. First bounce strategy. Oh shit, IGC. It's now under. Hold on. Let me see what I did. I feel the 338. Only small size. Let's see if it holds again. Too many times back to the well. Remember what I said? But let's see. This is the ultimate test, guys. When it broke down even under that level, let's see what the fuck. 340 held again. I just took some out, 346. See, I mean, no genius. I just have confidence in my system, my lines. Right here, just made a little scalp. I'm just doing this for fun, guys. I mean, I'm not. This is during the zombie time. This is not this. You know, now it's gonna trap the fuck out of everybody. The guys I thought was over that went under now probably gonna trap the fuck out of everybody. But I'm playing it safe. I'm now as a no. I'm not in the. You know, if you want 360, could be a short. Let me take a look. Remember, you just go from line to line, and it's up to you to determine if the play is over or whatever else, right? My computer's a little slow right now. Let me see. Cover my stuff up. Okay, so now I got out of the stock. I dumped it because it's weak now. But you know, I don't want to take a chance on it anymore. If it goes down, it might go down. Who the hell knows? You know, I've fucking went to this well too many fucking times. 340 now. 340 kind of scared me. It could be a trap, but now it's like I'm out. I'm playing safe. I'm hugging my fucking gains. I went to the well too many fucking times, and then now it went lower than what I thought it'd be. It probably gonna trap, but this is a no trade now. I'm gonna chill out. You know what I'm saying? You see how I'm thinking? I don't need to be in trade all the time. So I said, being a full-time trader does not mean trading full-time. Meaning like being a full-time trader does not mean that you're trading all the time. You trade when only the best blackjack hands are in your favor. It's no longer in my fucking favor. So I'm fucking chilling the fuck out. And so see, I did what I said, 339 seconds. I just started scaling out. Call me a piker where the fuck it is. You know, it doesn't fucking matter. I'm just fucking around and I'm showing you guys as a training, okay? The bulk of the money has been made in the morning, like I keep saying. So now it's just, you know, just chill during the zombie hour. If you must, trade very tiny, dude. No one's like, you know, same thing. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Now it's probably gonna break down, but I don't give a fuck anymore. It's completely fine. Now I want it to be a short around 360. But I think it's trapping. It's fucking holding this fucking 338 all fucking day long. So, you know, so IGC, that's what I'm saying. So I recognized it was a fucking long. And so all I did was buy the dips and sell. And then when it hit $4 reverse, remember I told you $4 with the line? So the extreme lines I short. You remember, it's all about channels for me. Lines present a channel to trade. Look, it's trying to 30,000. I think it's trapping, dude. Who knows? But because it's trying to shake people out. And some guy's probably buying. Some guy's trying to clean out all of the longs to get to the next move. But I'm not going to fucking be a hero on this. I'm done. I'm saying I don't know, but if I had to guess, it's trapping the shorts right now. It's trapping the shorts, and at the same time, so there's two ways. There's two things that they do to get to the next move, because so many people are in this thing thinking of the next move, right? Because people like myself are buying shit at 340, and so they need to get those guys out for the next move up. And so the only way to get out is to shake this shit, put a big offer, which is fake. But I noticed that I don't know, so but the thing is, I don't want to get caught in these games. I'm working my lines. See, the game once again. See, who knows? Who the fuck knows? I don't want to be a part of this guessing game. The lines have been broken. You see, the line 3-4. I told you it's broken. Once it's broken, I don't want to get involved, dude. I don't want to be the hero. I don't want to be involved in this trapping bullshit that they're doing during the zombie hour. They're trying to get people out. They're trying to trap. I do not think IGC is over. Just letting you know. I'm not shorting this shit down here. If I'm shorting shit at 360, 380, $4. So take a look at what I did. I did exactly like that. This is actually no stress. Look at that, dude. Every time it fucking popped up, I sold. Every time it fucking went down, I bought. I just rode this shit all fucking day long. So what did I did right? My best trade of the day was fucking covering 20,000 fucking short shares right here. 20 fucking thousand shares. Doesn't seem much at $2.80. Like, a small position in terms of dollar size, but fuck, it ran to $4 fucking dollars. I would have kept adding. Back in the day when I was a beginner, I would have kept adding. Giant bankroll. I could never lose. Wrong. Tilray example. It works until it doesn't work. So my best trade was the same thing that Alex did. Cut the fucking loss. And came in fresh at $4 to slam this motherfucker down. Recognizing that this is still using my first bounce strategy, the dead cap strategy. Bought that shit, went back up, and now it's saved. Now I realize it's a long. Just these are the things that only experience can show you. But as a beginner, what you can do is just focus on the chart. Chart is not the Bible. Even the Bible, in my opinion, is not 100%, right? Noah's Ark and all that stuff. But it's just a guideline. So first you have to determine, is this stock a long or short? Basically, even better, is this stock going up or going down? If you cannot tell, it's a no trade, guys. Is this stock trending up or is it trending down? Let's take a look at this one. You see, trending up, now it's trending down. And so when it trends down, you can short on all of the pops and cover on the bottoms. Many ways to trade, guys. I'm telling you, man, these guys, they're much better traders out there than me that have more conviction. They're holding MBEB up here at $10. I waved the right flag. I mean, I'm not the fucking best trader, guys. Seriously, these trolls are like, Bao fucking sucks. I know I suck. I don't understand why they keep telling me I suck. I'm the one telling you guys I fucking suck. You know what I'm saying? I fucking fuck up every day. Bao is a fucking idiot. Why does he have 20,000 shares short at 270 area, right? My average is probably here at 260. 20,000 shares short. This fucking shit rips of that. I'm down fucking like 20 up down a car, right? The problem is when you're stuck and you don't fucking recognize and get out, you will end up keep adding. It's not the 20,000 shares I'm afraid of, guys. If I had to discipline the whole 20,000 shares, I have no problem. It's the fact that I will keep adding. No way break $3. I'm all in at $3 now. No way it'll break fucking 350. I'm all in at 350. Now I'm already in 50,000 fucking shares. Now what I have to do, average up to 100,000 shares at $4, and now have a $300,000, 200,000 share position. How the fuck am I get out? Unless this creators. This is an anomaly. This doesn't fucking crater from $4 to fucking $3 like this, guys. It's the fact that MBEV fucking unraveled, and so it unraveled. But I don't want to depend on that luck. I don't want to fucking trade on luck. See, it trapped. I don't want to be involved in. I mean, I identified this as a long, and so it trapped. And I'm telling you, it's gonna go back up. But I'm not putting my money where my mouth is. That's what I'm saying. So a lot of these guys are hand waving shit. So the best way to teach you is to show you what I fucking did. If I had conviction, this shit goes up, I would have bought it. You see what I'm saying? And so your trades mean everything, guys. It fucking trapped. But you know what, man? The cards were a 17 at that level. Blackjack. I'm not gonna, I don't like to trade that during the zombie hour. I'm happy with what I made today, guys. I don't need to be a fucking hero and fuck around and get caught. And the best trade I did, Alex says, "Now get the fuck out," because he did the same thing yesterday. You see that, guys? Whew. The thing is, man, is we want to fucking nail it all the time. Not only do we want to nail it, we want to nail it with size. And if you nail it with size, you want bigger size. It's never ends. So at the end of the day, I always look back like, what can I do better? And my God, dude, I'm telling you, this was the best save of my fucking day. 20,000 shares. I would have been fucking hurt. I would have added. I would have been an idiot because MBEV kept going down. This kept going up. You see, it was the same thing that trapped everybody on the other day on MBEV. Tilray tanked. MBEV fucking squeezed. Exact duplicate of the pair between MBEV, IGC, Tilray, MBEV. You see the correlation, guys? So these are the sort of sympathy pairs, trading, correlation, whatever you want to call it, that you should think about. So you put all of these clues together to form your trade. And the exact thing, man. Tilray was down a shitload yesterday. How the fuck did MBEV squeeze? MBEV was down a shitload today. How the fuck did IGC? So I'm like, fuck. Back my mind, I'm like, I don't want to be that fucking guy. So I covered. Took my fucking shit. That was the best fucking trade of my fucking day. Best trade of my fucking week, actually. 2 best trades. The best trades were losses. Yesterday, I did not fucking wake up and to trade because I'm like, I will get trapped. I know myself. And that's what you should do too. You don't need to trade every day, guys. Being a full-time trader does not mean you need to trade all the fucking time. Being a full-time trader means you are given an 8-hour window to sit there to pick your fucking perfect blackjack hands. And that's the advantage of being a full-time trader. Not being able to, it's not because you want to trade all the time or trade size. It's being able to be given an 8-hour window versus a 1-hour or 2-hour window if you have a job. Make sense, guys? Being a full-time trader does not mean trading all the time. It means you have a bigger window, a bigger opportunity to pick and to get more hands dealt, 20s and 19s and 18s. Even 18, I'm like, So that's all it is, guys. It's being fucking patient, pre-planning, using your fucking knowledge of what happened previously in the past. Tilray taught me MBEV. MBEV taught me IGC. The correlation between Tilray and MBEV taught me the correlation between MBEV and IGC. You see how it works? So when you flip a coin, guys, when you flip a coin, either head or tail, just because the coin lands 20 fucking times on heads does not mean the next flip is not 50-50. Each flip of a coin has no correlation on the next flip. That's why it's a gamble. This is the big difference between day trading correctly and gambling. Gambling, there's no correlation. It's completely random. Now do you understand why you can't beat the fucking system in trading? Because trading is correlated, meaning the next move is dependent upon the last move. If a stock goes from 345, you can bet it'll go to 356. If a stock goes from 345 and goes down, you bet it'll go to 344. After 344, 342. Correlation. I can predict that. I just can't predict up or down with 100% regularity. You see the difference between gambling at a casino, which is a coin flip, no correlation. Roulette is the same thing. Every fucking spin is not correlated upon the last spin. Doesn't fucking matter if it hit a fucking same number 100 times. The next spin, the same probability that's going to hit another number. Not so with trading, guys. You see, once you fucking get that, that's a light bulb that goes in my head. Think about that, guys. It's fucking powerful, man. And that's why we can beat the system. When I was young, I thought trading was gambling. That nothing related and just fucking coin flip, either up or fucking down. No, man. It's like, fuck, man. This shit blew my mind once I started like studying like why stocks move. Like if you're trading a big cap, it's correlated to the fucking SPY. You know, the bigger there's an index that it correlates to other shit. There's a lot of correlation that's going on. Fucking Trump comes out and tweets about tariffs, shit tanks. Correlation. You think that correlation happens in a casino? Hell no. If it's correlated in a casino, you can beat it. And that's why casino games are games of luck and chance. Any question, guys? I want to stop that because this is a huge thing. Once you start learning about this, it's like, don't think about this too much. It's just, you know, just trade it correctly. The correlations take care of itself if you chart it right and you bring up. That's why when I trade, I have all these fucking different stocks up and different timetables, dude. I have another one here that, you know, I've been using too, you know. The more information you see, the better, guys. I have charts all over the fucking place. I have order entries all over the fucking place. Like I said, I focused today on two stocks, MBEV and IGC. And MBEV was fucking hard. I missed it. And so I focused now on IGC, which is easier. And so I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. See what I'm saying? I'm waiting now for the 2:30 time to see what the fuck it's shit tops, shit tanks. But I'm fucking happy. I'm now waiting for fucking Monday. To be honest, like the easy trades are over, guys. I'm waiting for because dude, this could tank go up. Fucking the easy trades are over. So I'm excited now to come back on Monday to fucking kill the fuck out of the IGC. No, but dude, I was kind of thinking that you die too. But you see what I'm saying, guys? So it's like you take the easier moves. I may sound like, oh man, I was a genius explaining this shit, but fuck, man, I'm a genius only because this shit happened already, dude. I'm explaining to you what happened. So that's what I said, man. So the only thing you do is go back and become a better trader next time. The genius not lies in shit that already happened. It's like what shit is going to happen. And I fuck up every single time. And it's good I kind of fuck up. If it's a manageable fuck up, I learn every time I fuck up. See, I covered, dude. I learned something from Alex's mistake. I watched his fucking video last night. I keep telling you, watch his fucking video where he took a $30,000 loss. He said that was the best fucking trade of his fucking week. That fucking resonated in my fucking head. And I fucking took that loss. It's a small loss, but still, 20,000 fucking shares. You know, it's like, fuck, dude. It's a $30,000 at least. I would probably be down 40 grand because I was kept on adding, dude. Every fucking 50 cents I would probably add or some shit like that, right? So, but so I learned something every fucking day. So I learned from Alex. Alex, fucking thank you. So those were our two best trades, man. Alex stopping out at $6 before it hit $10, and me fucking stopping out at the 270, 260 before we hit $4. So we learn every fucking day, man. That's all we can do. Any question, guys? We're gonna end. One thing about boot camp. Okay, let me talk about the boot camp. Man, if whoever didn't watch this recap, guys, I think this is the best recap I've done yet. Because these tough trading situations is what makes you become a better trader and learn. The key is to have your losses be minimal so that you can learn and move on. If you take a fucking mother of all losses, then what's the fucking good about learning if you can't if you're dead? right? If you're dead, you can't fucking win or learn. You either win or die, right? um, and so you have to. I'm telling you all the time, you have to be able to take. You have to be able to be comfortable with taking a fucking loss. If you do not fucking take a loss, the next loss you take will be the game ender. People keep asking me where. Just look at the charts, guys. I don't fucking know. To be honest, I don't want to tell you these things because it's hooroo. What would I do? What would I do? I don't fucking know. I could tell you the perfect answer by looking at the chart. What would I do? I would cut my losses here, you bounce here, I add here. It doesn't do any good, guys. Just examine the chart, and the next time, practice it yourself with small shares. Practice it to yourself. Just look at this and just practice yourself, because you know I don't really know what every situation is gonna be different. Next time it may fucking go to $5. Who the fuck knows? You see what I'm saying? So you basically, the only thing I have at my arsenal is my lines. And if I fucking have right risk parameter I set up, I have a max loss. Your max loss can change from time to time. Like my max loss parameters are very high before 10:30. After 10:30, tiny max loss. You see how that works, guys? Like in the morning, I could be down 10, 20 grand. I'll be okay with it because that's part of my plan to let the trade work itself out. I'd rather not, but during the zombie time, I don't want to be fucking down more than a few grand, because if I'm down, because that's the squeeze zone. You see what I'm saying? So you have to vary it out. It's like the poker hands, guys. You bet different amount for every different hand that comes out. If you see a blackjack hand 17, I would not bet that much compared to that 20. And so you vary it up, you know. This is the thing. So you first learn one thing and then you move on to the next, and then you become better. That's the thing. There's just so much stuff to learn, guys, seriously. But it's doable. It's very doable. Learn to start cutting losses early in your career. I the sooner you form good habits, the better it is. If you never fucking take a stop loss and you got lucky fucking every time and you made $1 million that way, I guarantee you the next trade you make, you're gonna lose a fucking million. Everything and more. Because you're margined out. You see what I'm saying? Good habits keep good habits. Bad habits don't rely on luck. Because bad habits, the next loss you have is the crippler. All right, guys, boot camp. Let me show you. This is fucking sick. Hope you guys learn, man. I think this is probably one of the best. This is one of the best recaps I've done. It's fucking passionate. Is because I don't want you guys to lose. Seriously, dude. When I wake up yesterday, I was like, fucking, please do not blow up, Alex. Please don't. And I was like, fuck, thank God he cut his losses, because fuck, man. Fucking half a year ago, Alex would probably lost 300 grand like on dries or whatever the hell he did. And so I fucking made sure every fucking day I talked to him, I fucking calm him down, kick his ass, slap him. He can attest to this, dude. And I treat you guys in the room the same way I treat Alex. Alex is a very example where he's a kid, very smart, but without the right guidance and being humbled, he's going to have massive success, followed by a depression and toaster in the shower. Because when he make $1 million and the next fucking trade he loses 2 million, that's over. Some people cannot mentally recover from that. Look at that, dude. The trap. Okay, so let me show you the boot camp. You guys are in a fucking for a good fucking, oh my god, dude. I joined this club, and this club is phenomenal. And I rented this space, which I show you. Let me see. So this is where the check this out, guys. You guys see this? This is where the conference is gonna be. Pay some big bucks for you guys. This is fucking free, dude. Let me turn on the volume. So this is the space. This is a professional club that I joined, and so this is the we can able to use this on the weekend. But then I'm just showing you what the space looks like. But I rented a conference room in the back for us. Look at that, dude. So sick, right? This is downtown San Jose, Silicon Valley, man. Big bucks here. But I was able to negotiate a good rate for us. I guess it doesn't matter for you. You guys are, it's free for you guys. Fuck, not free for us. But who the fuck would throw this free shit? I love this shit though. I just want you guys to learn because eventually, man, I want everybody to fucking join us. Join the fucking club. Learn. So here, we're walking to the conference area right here. So that's just the outside area where the public people can meet. So this is a club. So this is the conference room. The tables will be set up in a lecture format. 85 people is the max capacity, guys. 85 for the boot camp. You better RSVP because if you show up, I can't let you in because it's not my doing. It's a fire marshal. The room is only allocated for 85 people. There's a little nice bar in the back for you, coffee, and I'm not even doing nice for you. I'm providing you guys food, man. Coffee for breakfast, whatever, and then lunch is gonna be provided. I'm gonna put lunch out here for you guys. Fucking free, man. Maybe give me bring me a nice bottle of scotch. So look at this fucking balcony. We have lunch here, guys. 85 people. Look how sick that is. We're into this whole fucking floor, dude. The balcony area. Fucking phenomenal. Is that fucking sick, guys? Is that fucking sick? That's fucking sick. I wasn't bullshitting you guys when I'm gonna fucking say we're gonna change this fucking industry, dude. These trolls that come and fuck around with us. Fuck you, trolls. Who the fuck would do this? We're changing the industry for a couple ways. We are innovating and we're actually doing it. I'm not here fucking like. I make money trading, guys. I fucking make money trading, guys. It's fucking obvious I make money trading unless you're a fucking troll and trying to lie to people. You don't need to fucking see my P&L to fucking see that my buys are way lower than my fucking sells. And I did a lot of size. These trolls saying I'm faking shit, faking prints. I'm fucking idiot. I don't give a fuck about that. They only motivate me. I want you guys to learn. Sign up for the annual because seriously, dude, there's 85 people that can sign up this and we want to learn, dude. I'm still learning every fucking day. And I even made it even easier. So I went out and I got a deal with the Fairmont Hotel for shit. I should have bought some at 338. Fuck. Let me go back. I'm waiting for the 2:30 time to fucking now it's ramping up. Okay. So I went to the deal because I knew like, dude, this is gonna be a very expensive area. San Jose is a very expensive area sometimes to depends if they have a convention to book a hotel. So Fairmont's giving us $170 rate, dude. That's fucking phenomenal. 170 for 5-star in the middle of San Jose, Silicon Valley. That's unheard of, right? So normal price of $305. So they said they cannot reserve a block of rooms for us. So you guys is first come first serve. I'm getting a link on Monday. He won't give me the link yet. So on Monday you get the link and you guys better sign up, book the hotel because once this shit sells out, it's you're gonna be paying $305 or not even having a space at all. So sweet, guys, and I'm throwing a fucking fucking party, dude. On party won't. I'm not paying for your drinks. I made a company policy. We're not gonna get if you drink, it's on your own. And I'm trying to like start good habits already when I'm starting this organization, right? So we're gonna have a party. You want to drink? Yeah, you buy your own drinks there, but I'm providing you the entertainment and the space and. It's going to be awesome, guys. Fucking awesome. Cool, guys. Any more fucking questions? I'm going to fucking take a vacation, mini vacation this week. Weekend, I mean. Fuck, man. Could have made money. Any question, guys? Keep at it. That's the only thing, man. This is all right, man. I'm gonna start trading now. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna stop this recap right now.